Hello learners, welcome back to Mesology. Today I've come with tips for quick and long-lasting learning process for you. At the bottom of this image you can see a patch of acronym and mnemonic, that is Elegant Priyanka met Classy Jonas. Let's see how it relates to the function of the cerebrum. The E stands for executive functions, P for planning, R for reasoning, I for invention, M for memory, next T for emotions, T for thinking, C for consciousness, L for learning, and finally the J for judgment. I hope this was easy to learn the functional activities for your cerebrum. Happy learning! Please stay tuned for the next upcoming sessions for learning quickly. Thank you.